What up, guys? Welcome back. Digital Grind. So the first video with the name change, this is now Digital Grind. The channel that I started when my channel was hacked in December is now Digital Slang. That is the main channel now. This channel here, I have to build out again. The algorithm is dead on here. It's been dead for about 4 months since it was hacked. So moving forward, I have a lot of work to do on Digital Grind, and we're gonna split them up. I have to split them up. I didn't want 2 channels, but we're here. They're both monetized. I have full control over this channel again. So moving forward, this will be called Digital Grind. So this is just a quick update video about what's going on and behind the scenes and moving forward. So Digital Grind, this channel here will be still reviews and unboxings, but geared towards more expensive things and higher end things. Digital Slang will be more budget friendly tech, right? For those of us that want to spend a little less. And Digital Grind, I'm going to experiment with all kinds of crap on here. We're going to have different set looks, right? It's not going to look anything like this. And I'll give different looks, and you guys can tell me what you think of each look. We'll have some video podcast style setups. We're going to have some real setups, and we're going to have people on. We're going to be doing like fun shit, games and stuff. And of course, more giveaways. But moving forward, I have to split up, unfortunately. Digital Grind here, Digital Slang will be the main channel, and again, Digital Grind will be under the umbrella of Digital Slang. So moving forward, this is, take a look at the channel art now. It says Digital Grind, but I still have to build out things. I have to build out a set. I have to get new equipment in. I have to get even an intro and an outro video. I have to make those for Digital Grind. So even on this video, it still says Digital Slang on the intro and outro, but moving forward, all that stuff will change. It's going to take me a little bit, probably a few weeks, to build everything out and get it to the way that I want. But we're here, so it's a lot of work running 2 channels. It's a lot of work running one. But moving forward, this channel will be Digital Grind. So if you are not subscribed to Digital Slang, the other channel, the main channel, I'll drop that link below, and I'm going to make a similar video on that channel telling people to come here to Digital Grind and checking this channel out. So again, the content will be split. Digital Slang, the main channel moving forward. Digital Grind, which was previously Digital Slang before it was hacked. We're going to split it up, check it out, see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well, but we'll see. I want you guys' feedback and opinion. I did drop a poll on my other channel in the community section, and this is what you guys wanted to see. So we're going to run with it, and we'll see what happens. So Digital Grind, Digital Slang. Here we go, guys. Let's do it. Stay safe. It's crazy as hell out there right now. So guys, just be safe. I know it sucks. I know it's boring. This is the world we live in today. So it'll pass. Just be safe. Peace.